It's a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse magical moment from Disney Junior.
Wowie zowie! This is going to be more fun than taking a bath in a bowl full of pudding.
Pete's having a really tricky problem. Can his friends help solve this mechanical mishap?
Oh, cheese weasels. The wheel's all busted, and I was hoping to do more mouse-exercising.
Don't you worry, Pete. We'll fix the bike for you. All we need is something big and round.
Who's got something like that? Oh, buttons.
Oh, that's it! A button! What shape is a button? Yeah, it's round, like a wheel.
Well, okay, but we're going to need a big button to fit on this bike.
And we're all out of mouse-toolies.
Not a problem, boys. It just so happens that I promised Willie the Giant that I would sew new buttons on his teddy bear.
One giant button coming up.
Here you go, Pete.
Hot dog! The bike's as good as new.
Hey, this is real fun. What a wonderful day for riding a bike, doing something healthy that I really like. Yeah!
Pete thought his bike was busted. But when friends think together, there's always a solution to be found. Keep watching for another magical moment. And you can see Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on Disney Junior.